In front of me is HMD XR21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access security section. Then tap on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create your login method. Choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Hit confirm. Tap on one of those options about lock screen notifications and choose done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!